The era of typing prompts into a chat box is officially over. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at something that is going to completely redefine how you build a business, Multica.ai. Look at the headline on their site, Manage Your Human and Agent Workforce in One Place. This is an open source platform designed to treat AI not like a tool, but like a first-class engineer. Instead of a chat interface, you are looking at a Kanban board, just like Jira, Trello, or Linear, except half your team is made of autonomous AI agents. You assign an agent a ticket, they proactively work on it, and they report blockers just like real colleagues. Look at this feature list: autonomous life cycles, reusable skills, and unified runtimes. You can run local daemons on your workstation using Claude Code, OpenCode, or Hermes, and manage all of them from this one centralized glass box dashboard. It is a true multi-agent operating system. But before I show you how to install this locally and run a mind-blowing autonomous coding demonstration, you need to pay attention. If you want to know exactly how to deploy these multi-agent systems and actually make money with them, you need to be inside my private school community, the AI Money Forge. Look at the feed right now. We are at 346 members, and I just dropped a massive new module inside the Classroom tab. We are breaking down the exact standard operating procedures for the leaked Claude Mythos model, building zero human agencies, and setting up persistent background agents. The alpha inside this group is unmatched, and it is 100% free to join right now, but that window is closing. If you want to stop renting AI and start owning your infrastructure, click the link in the description, join the Forge, and get the blueprints today. Alright, let's get into the build. To get Multica running, you install a lightweight daemon directly on your machine. Look at my terminal right here. I run Multica on main, authenticate the daemon, and instantly, my local hardware is connected to the Multica Cloud dashboard. You can see it explicitly linking to my local Claude runtime right here. Now let's jump into the UI and create our first digital employee. I click Create Agent, name him Bro, give him a specific set of developer instructions, and link him to my local MacBook Pro Claude runtime. We now have a senior engineer standing by, ready to execute. Let's put him to the test. I'm going into the issues board and creating a new ticket. Analyze the architecture of Multica. I assign it directly to our new agent, Bro, and hit Create. Now, watch what happens in the activity log. This is insane. The agent picks up the ticket, transitions the status to In Progress, and begins autonomously exploring my local hard drive. It checks out the repository, navigates the workspace, and starts reading the raw code. It reads the docker-compose.yml. It reads the Go backend files. It reads the next.js frontend code. It is mapping out the entire infrastructure on its own. And boom. 3 minutes later, the agent completes the issue and drops this massive, perfectly formatted Markdown document. It correctly identified the Go backend, the next.js frontend, the PostgreSQL database, the exact API structure, and the local daemon execution model. It did a senior-level codebase analysis with zero human handholding. The craziest part about this entire system, it is completely open source. Look at their GitHub repository. The README literally says, your next 10 hires won't be human. Because it's open source, you can self-host this entire platform for free. The installation is as simple as running a brew install Multica command on Mac or a simple curl script for Linux. They even have native Windows PowerShell support. You configure it, authenticate the daemon, and you instantly have a management layer for your local AI models. But Multica doesn't just do one-off tasks. Let me show you the Autopilot feature. This is how you automate your entire business. I am creating a new Autopilot routine called Weekly Anthropic Shipping Brief. I set the schedule to run automatically every single week, and I assign it to my deep research agent. When the trigger fires, watch the execution log. The agent spins up and autonomously starts querying the web. Look at these searches: Anthropic API update changes, Claude Mythos preview, Anthropic partnerships. It is dynamically adjusting its search queries based on the real-time data it finds. Once it gathers all the intel, it synthesizes it and drops a complete executive-level weekly briefing right into our workspace. It breaks down the Claude Mythos leak, the new Manage Agents public beta, and strategic implications for our business. It even generated a top 3 development summary for the team. This is a fully autonomous, scheduled intelligence pipeline. If you want my exact configuration files to build this yourself, get inside the school group right now. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.